The death of the ego, the descent. The fortress of the mind begins with a collapse. To rebuild a life, you must first acknowledge the ruins. Most men fear the silence of failure. But in Stoicism, silence is where the truth speaks. Perception is reality. You believe your world has ended because things changed. This is a false judgment. The event is neutral. Your mind provides the pain. You are not mourning your life. You are mourning the version of yourself that failed. Strip away the titles. Strip away the expectations. What remains is the only thing you ever truly owned, your character. The view from above. Look down at your struggle from the stars. Your current catastrophe is a grain of sand in an infinite desert. Great empires have fallen and been forgotten. Your ego tells you that your pain is special. Logic tells you it is temporary. From this height, your fall is just a movement of nature. Accept the descent to begin the climb. The obstacle is the way. The very thing that broke you is the blueprint for your return. Adversity is not an interruption of the path. Adversity is the path. Fire tests the iron. Resistance builds the muscle. Use the weight of your failure to crush your arrogance. If the old life died, it deserved to die. Now we build something that cannot be broken. The descent is over. You have reached the floor of the abyss. There is no further to fall. From this cold ground, we start the foundation. What part of you must die today so the man you need to become can live?
The internal architecture, the foundation. A comeback is not a burst of energy. It is the cold geometry of discipline. If the ego has died, the architecture must take its place. We do not build with hope. We build with logic. Pause. Perception is reality. Stop looking at the mountain and look at your feet. Victory is merely a series of small, repetitive actions. Your mind will try to complicate the process. It will seek a shortcut that does not exist. Discipline is the only honest response to chaos. Focus only on the next hour. That hour is your entire world. Pause. The view from above. Observe your habits as if you were a stranger. Are these the movements of a conqueror or a victim? Nature does not rush, yet everything is accomplished. Your progress is slow because it is meant to last. Zoom out and see the cycle of growth. A foundation takes longer to build than the walls. Do not trade depth for speed. Pause. The obstacle is the way. The boredom of the routine is your new enemy. Use the monotony to harden your resolve. When you want to quit, that is the resistance you need. Embracing the grind is the highest form of power. You are no longer a slave to your moods. You are the master of your schedule. This structure is your shield against the world. Pause. The internal blueprint is now set. You are no longer drifting in the storm. You have become the anchor. Pause. If your life was a temple, would you be proud of the stones you laid today? The ascent does not require permission. It requires a relentless adherence to the truth. You are not returning to your old life. You are arriving at a new one. The man who fell is not the man who climbs. Perception is reality. The world will try to remind you of your past. Their opinions are external noise. You have mastered the internal signal. Do not seek applause for doing what is required. Silence is the loudest form of success. Your results will speak for you. Keep your head down until the work is finished. The view from above. See your journey as a single line in a great book. Every hero's story requires a winter. You have survived yours. Look at the horizon with detached clarity. Success is as fleeting as failure. Neither defines the soul. You climb because it is your nature to grow. The peak is just another place to stand. The obstacle is the way. Every new challenge is now an invitation. You no longer fear the struggle. You crave the resistance that makes you sharp. Use the scars of the descent as armor. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. You are now the captain of the storm. The comeback is complete when the struggle becomes your home. The season of waiting has ended. You are unshakable because you have been broken and rebuilt. Walk forward with a cold heart and a clear mind. Now that you have conquered yourself, what is left to fear?